MP Bamarway ka Raja Sabha u Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi hak arpo terik jeliu. Ulaong bakadaw bahakmat halendat ka jing syarem jong ka National People's Party NPP haka ni ka election Lok Sabha ka badang shidapsyan natura bat shlong seat kaday namar ka State Reservation Policy namar bakarsyan ka BJP. Katkum ka jing sngaw ka jong ulaong kan bahasibon ya ka party bakan syarem ya ka election nakabenta ka jing yatali jong ka jela. Nalor kata uni State President barim ka NPP ulama hamru bakaday kadak basniw ya ka jela kadaya ka election la job tang namar ka jing syak jing it bandawa penkela ya ka job Reservation Policy. Habakaran syakila putai kubor u Dr. Kharlukhi ulaong baka NPP kalaya tengku bat kala air kershan ya ka Voice of the People Party VPP hapo rilum kasi jantia bat kala air kershan Kongres Harilum Garo hakani ke election Lok Sabha ka badang syudam. Ulaong ru habaro kini ki arteli ki jingbe la air ka NPP kala syarem no namar ka State Reservation Policy. Hakasi bat jantia ki kwa penkela bat syagaro pat kim kwa ban penkela bat ki phasha u menteri rang ba kum u ba kampen le jingmut ya ki jingdan kam Hakasi Hills.
Politics, like what I said, always changes. Like number one, now we are for the first time in the history of Meghalaya that we have a chief minister who wins back to back, which means 5 years and then coming back 5 years. So it's quite natural. There are times in which you lose election. See, like Dr. Mukul, 8 years, then he lost election. That is part of politics. Okay, and at the same time, it depends on the situation that you're facing. Like, this time, this side, we are facing a wave. That side also we are facing a wave. So to me, my assessment is not that because BJP supported us. I don't believe that. Why I said that? Because in 2016, not only that BJP supported us, even Joel Aram, the present Tribal Affairs Minister today, he was campaigning with me. And CM won nearly by 2 lakhs. And he broke the record in Garo Hills. And those WhatsApp are already there. Right from the time of PA Sangma, it came that, priests are being beaten and all this. It doesn't happen. To me, I may be wrong. This, I think, is in both ways we lost because of the reservation policy. This side, they want to review. They look at us as if we are anti. That side, they don't want to review, and they look at the chief minister as who cater to the need of the Khas Hills. But I really appreciate my CM. There are times in politics, for the sake of the unity of the state, it's better that we lose election. But as a statesman, you have to decide what is right. At the height of that agitation, what the chief minister have to do? He have to convene a meeting, he have to agree to review. Because in his seeing that yes, this is the only way out. And I think it hit him that side and it hit us this side. So my point here is this. Well, if this election is won for clean politics, yes, it is good. I'm talking this side, I'm not talking that side. It is good. But if this hunger strike, if this election is won because of the hunger strike to review the reservation policy, I'll tell you it is a bad sign. And don't worry at all. All of us will be reaping the harvest. And I think we'll be still living to see the harvest of this. So this is my observation. Clean politics, yes. I think it's high time that people should not take money in the election. It's very good. But if it's the other way around, it is a bad sign for the state.